Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tosin here. In this video today, I'm going to be doing I tried following another YouTuber, and this YouTuber that I will be following today is none other than the beautiful goddess, the Thechicnatural. Like, come on, like she's been on YouTube for like years, and I've seen her grow so beautiful, and her tutorials are always on point, and I so much look up to her when it comes to like hair tutorials, natural hair. She really inspires me. So why not try following her old videos, the one that she did a few years ago, because at that time her hair and mine are like almost the same length size. I'm going to try as much as possible to do this look that she did. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. And hold up, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and get started. Keep on watching.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a retro / pinup hairstyle tutorial. So as you can see, I'm starting off with stretched hair because with this style it just makes it.
I actually did stretch my hair a little bit. I'm still learning now to stretch my hair properly.
Into half.
Okay, wait.
Leave slightly.
So she's trying to oh my gosh. Okay, so she's gonna part this out. She's parting it out.
More in the back than in the front.
Because I'm leaving more in the back
a little bit
than the front.
Than the back half. Okay, so once I have my front section off, I'm just going to take.
Okay, wait.
And
let's pause it a little bit. This is actually harder than I thought. Okay, I have a big head, so my head might come out a little bit, a lot in the front, but okay. Let's see now. I hope this is straight.
Now for the back,
okay.
What do is make a part going
so what she did
down.
is pretty much put this in a little bunny.
And I'm going to be doing 2 flat twists going straight up.
Okay, so just parting the second part. Just going to part that open.
So I did my part.
I did mine. I'll be straight.
Mirror, but once I have that done, I'm just going to take one side of it and put that away too. So I can just work on one side. And I'm going to take a little of
okay,
my
wait. Let's go ahead and seal this situation together. I'm just all over the place. Okay, so I'm just putting this in a little bun right here, just braiding it together to make sure it's like okay apart from this one. Hope my lines are straight. I'm feeling it though. So I'm taking the gel and putting it in the back.
So now I'm going to twist this section.
Wait. So I'm putting the gel now in the back. Then just use my comb, my brush, just brush that up. So now I'm going to start flat twisting it. I've never flat twisted my hair before. I hope it just comes out right. I suck at flat twisting. I haven't flat twisted my hair before ever. So let's see. Wait. Okay. Oh no.
Okay, so once I get to the top of this flat twist, I'm going to take 2 bobby pins and pin it down.
Okay, so bobby pins. Hold on. So I'm just pinning it down with 2 bobby pins. Stay. I hope this looks nice.
Okay, so now I'm going to take this hair down.
So we're going to take this side down now. And then we're going to flat twist this side. pretty much the same way she's doing it. Hold up. She's already done. Oh my gosh. I'm still here. So I put the gel and just brush it off. So she did. Then take it. I hope it's even too. Then I'm just going to start flat twisting it. I really don't know how to flat twist. I think I'm like braiding my hair instead of flat twisting it. Epic fail. My retro. Oh gosh, this is an epic fail. Okay. Look how I'm sweating.
Okay, so my twists are done in the back. Now I'm going to take out the front.
Okay, we're taking out the front.
I'm going to put some gel on my front edges as well so they're nice and
just
smooth.
rubbing the gel
Now
right
what
in
I'm
the
going to
front.
do is gather up all of the hair and roll it backwards like I'm going to do a pompadour in place. Then I'm going to take a little bit more gel around my edges and smooth them all the way down. Alright guys, so this is the final look. So I hope you guys liked it. Do not forget.
So we're pinning it. Pin. You gotta fake it till you make it. Okay. So now let's see what she said at the end.
Stay tuned for the pictures at the end, and I'll see you next time. Bye.